Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check mutual friends on Snapchat. And for that, giving you a quick answer, it's not possible to see that with an option or with a feature on Snapchat. But there's one way that maybe can help you out with this, because if you go to add persons and I want to add this person, this person, this person, and maybe this person. And when I go back and I will refresh everything, then go to add friends and refresh this, we will see that there are a lot of new persons that I can quick add. And that is a meaning that these persons are already friends with the people that I just added. So this is the only way to see this. And there is no other feature because this is not the privacy that Snapchat will give people. They will protect their privacy. So there's no other way how to see the mutual friends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and give it a like, and thanks for watching.